Presiden kaseng Voice of the People Party uba Aden Mila Besaya Maj ulang bakaseng VPP ka aipor tang sau pragantai ka sarkar ban pesange shwa shipori ki interview thungkam ban berngem ban penlong ke jingki lada ka sarkar ka le kuman haba ai jingkran ha ka jinglang ka belalong ha additional secretariat mentaga sngi ula khot lawer ki ba jong ka jala ban ai jingkar shan lem yaki ha ka juk ka por ula kenturu ka sarkar ban ai jingtip ha po sau prakanta ula benrap ru bakaseng kala Juyai keren naga por ha kabede berke job reservation policy bat kamdan kajing percaya halor roster system hendai kajing sokya kade halor reservation policy kumta ka seng ka kwa ban ai ya memorandum sha menteri rang ba ha kabede berke reservation policy bat roster system.
That may be the stand of the government, but our stand is very clear. The problem is not with the roster. The problem is not with the roster. The problem is with the entire policy itself. The policy is not proportionate. So how can you divide the policy by two only? You need to understand the population structure of the state.
Mentapat ngipe ke jinglong jiman ke sundeng haslong